Hi, today from Pneumatic Equipment, just a quick demonstration video of our Ecoca CNC lathe. Just going to quickly run a program. So CNC running. So obviously each time it does uses one tool, you need to change the tool theoretically and then press a button again to get to the next operation happening. Pretty sure that'll be screw cutting basically. Just show you around. So there's reverse jaws, a drill chuck, and live center, and another tool holder. Just over the back. I'm pretty sure that's the end of the program. I'll just walk around. That's the screen, and we'll just walk around the back, and I'll show you inside the tool cabinet, or the electrical cabinet. Okay, that's just about it. The back of the machine, lubricating pump. Okay, there we go. Well, this is the RS232 ports and some auxiliary power plug or socket. That's about it.